Maintenance. In everyday conversation, maintenance usually refers to keeping physical property in good working condition or providing ongoing financial support to a family member, such as spousal maintenance. In historical tort law and litigation, however, it designates a very specific legal offence regarding lawsuits. Maintenance, historically classified as the medieval tort and crime of unlawful maintenance, is the improper meddling in a civil lawsuit by an outside party. It occurs when an individual or entity, having no personal interest in the dispute, financially or materially, assists one of the litigants to sustain or prolong the legal battle. How does the concept of maintenance differ from its close legal cousin, champerty? While champerty involves financing a lawsuit in exchange for a direct profit share of the winnings, maintenance is a broader offence. It covers any officious intermeddling where a third party provides money, hires lawyers, or encourages litigation purely out of malice, spite, or a desire to harass a personal rival. During the medieval era, powerful English lords routinely maintained frivolous lawsuits against weaker neighbours to ruin them financially. Over centuries, legal reforms across the UK, the US, and Australia largely decriminalised maintenance to protect access to justice and legal aid programs. However, the civil tort still survives in select jurisdictions to penalise those who maliciously stir up groundless, vexatious litigation to cause harm. For example, consider two affluent suburban neighbours, Mr. Smith and Mr. Jones, who have engaged in a bitter personal feud for over a decade. A third resident down the street, a local handyman, gets into a minor boundary dispute with Mr. Jones over a backyard garden fence. Seeking to cause severe emotional distress and financial harm to his rival, Mr. Smith secretly approaches the handyman and offers to pay all his legal fees if he drags Mr. Jones through years of relentless courtroom litigation. Because Mr. Smith has no personal stake in the garden fence and is financing the lawsuit purely out of malice to harass his neighbour, his actions constitute the actionable common law tort of maintenance.